I'm so smart. I'm so smart. Even if I don't have a clear idea for a cosplay, sometimes I'll just buy it. Months ago, I got Mikitaka from Diamond is Unbreakable, Jojo's, because it was on sale. And now that Earth, Wind, and Fire song, you can boogie, and y'all know. Okay, that's done. The idea is to, obviously I have to fucking eat a napkin in this video. Ew. But I want to do something where I turn into like a big dice. That'll be so cool. I feel like that would be so cool. Cute and funny and all the things that I love to do. So, but what I have to do, hold on so y'all see this. This is the outfit. The emblems have to go. That's unacceptable to me. So what I'm going to do, because the shapes are pretty easy to like mold and make, and to my knowledge, and when I've tried to scour the internet before, there were no 3D STL files for them. So I have moldable EVA foam. I'm just going to make them, put them on here and spray paint them gold. The rest of it I feel like is fine. So I just need to get the wig, the earring, and the ears. And I feel like we'll be good. Oh, and make the dice. So we'll do all that. Okay, y'all, this is our first little one. You mold it, bend, da-da, and it takes like a day to set. So if I make everything today, then I can probably buy the one that's on here. So I'm going to continue to do that. Also, just a heads up, if you guys do use multiple EVA foam, I feel like it's a duh, but it kind of does shrink a little bit during the curing drying process. So just keep that in mind when you're making something. I want to eat this. Is it bad I want to eat this? Is it bad I want to eat this? Bitch, I better have gold spray paint, because I don't feel like going to Michael's. I don't feel like going to Michael's, chill. Every time I go over to Michael's and get the spray paint, it take forever for y'all to come over and get the spray paint. Then y'all be looking at me like I'm a criminal, like I'm a tagger. What's this for? Crafts. Hence why we in an arts and crafts store. Oh. Oh. Kind of forgot to like sit down and record the makeup process, but here we go. Okay, I just dropped all of my eyeshadow. Oh, great. But yeah, I feel like we're getting there. I feel like we're looking good. Blonde.
Such total detestation. It's so pure, it's so strong. Little elf girl. Yeah.
It's giving alien. It's giving alien. It's giving okay. I actually have to lay this wig. I kind of have to like get the I'm not a wig wizard. His hair doesn't fall like this. It's pushed back and behind his ears. So you actually do have to see my whole hairline to get the effect. So, oh, let's try. Let's try for our alien friend. He's a psychopath. Like, he's a weirdo. Like, he's insane. He turns into dice. He eats tissues, and he just pulls ice cream cones out of nowhere. So I made these fake ice cream cones. These are real cones, but actual ice cream is just like balled up paper, and then I put like moldable EVA foam over it, and then I just painted it. So I don't have to worry about real ice cream melting and getting perfect scoops. Boom. I was going to make a dice, but I found a big dice on Amazon. So I'm just going to use that. As me have dice, and then kind of flip it, and then like just him on the ground. So there we go. We're in full Mikitaka alien. Wow, we have Wicked in the background. I'm sorry, I think I watch Wicked like once a week. I'm trying to get it down to once a month. No, don't let the wigticians in the comments say that I didn't, because I probably didn't. But I feel like it looks good. It's good. It's good. I'm not a wigtician. It's good for me. I guess let's film for a bunch of hours. Y'all, I already ate lunch. Don't yell at me. I ate lunch. I'm gonna take a sip of water now so you don't yell at me. Okay? All the days during winter, I don't think I'm safe to wear a suit for cosplay. It's actually hot outside, so I'm dying. I'm sweating. I'm glad I actually didn't go to the gym. Something told me. I've been doing 12 330s every day. Okay, we're cutting. It's cutting season. Girl, I'm glad I didn't go to the gym, because I ran that, sweated that, and then some. Oh God, okay. Being anime characters, rating fits that I cosplay. Girl, that's what it is. I haven't done it in a while, and it's a crowd favorite. They love it. They love it. So we gotta give the people what they want. We filmed for a bunch of hours, and you know what? It never fails. Someone always knocks on my door when I'm in full cosplay. Why? We're done. Now, my room is in shambles. Well, not really. Maybe my shambles and other people's shambles are different, but I gotta put all my mirror and everything all back together because everything is a mess. I thought I really looked that tired. It won't come off. Well, y'all, this is the end. Next time I'll remember to record a little bit of the makeup process if it is a crazy makeup process. But if you guys like cosplay, get ready with me, building type of videos, let me know. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll give you more, okay? What emoji should I tell y'all to drop? Leave me the alien emoji. Leave me the alien emoji. It's very fitting. It's very fitting for our alien bestie. Bye!